Using SWIK requires two components, the mouthpiece with catheter and the extension tubing. Be sure to read the full instructions for use before beginning. The first step will be to attach the extension tubing to your pump. Use the blue connector to secure it onto the canister, either a wall-mounted or your portable pump at home. Next, connect the two components with the lure connector. Push together and twist to lock into place. You will have already wet the foam mouthpiece with water. You can also adjust the location of the connection point by sliding the tubing along the foam. Rest the tubing over the ear, then begin at the center, placing the foam into the mouth and pushing the foam along the lower gum line all the way to the back molars. It may be helpful to use a long cotton swab to push the foam deep along the gum line into place. You can secure the tubing to the face with a piece of paper tape. Next, you will turn on the pump. You may want to start at a higher level to evacuate the mouth, and then turn the pump down between 20 and 40 for continuous use. Thank you.